What's happening, guys? It's Chuck back again with Chuck's Hobby Spot. So, we got a package in the mail today. It's a pretty awesome package, I know, because I have built one already. This is from our friends at Iceman Collections. Joel, thank you very much. We're gonna take a look at the new Morgan three-wheeler. The new and improved Morgan three-wheeler by Ollie Vizzle. This was a fun kit to build, guys. So, I mean, if I would highly recommend this kit. Excuse me. I built it before. We had that little contest that I built it in, and maybe there's a pic right there of it. I really liked that kit. It was fun. It went together really nice. I think it was. It's very nicely put together and designed. It's a beautiful kit. So I want to go ahead and turn this camera around and take a look at it because I haven't even opened it yet, but I know about some of the stuff that's in here. So let's check this thing out. Come on, guys. Let's turn the camera around. All right, guys, look at this beautiful box art. I think it's even nicer than the last box art. The last box art, I think, was just this, and then my crappy build on one of them. So, anyway, this is a awesome gift. Thanks a lot, Joel. Let's take a look at this awesome kit here. See if I can open it. I have not opened it yet, and he packages everything very nicely. Nothing usually gets broke. So it's the body and wrapped up in the interior. I want to get all these pieces out here, so let's get the peanuts out of here. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this body. I know the interior is packaged inside it. Body is very easily cleanable. So all these little pieces here, this stuff sands really easy, guys. I had no problem getting all this out. Mine looked like glass when I was done sanding it. I mean, it's easy to sand, so very, very nice. I love these things, guys. I can't wait to build another one. Interior's pretty crisp. Very crisp, actually. Take a look at the engine. Be careful with this stuff. This engine is really nice. What I did was I painted it all like a gloss black, and then I have like Ushi powders that I did the rocker tops with, and the cover here, I did that with that. I think I might have done the headlights. No, maybe I left them black. The buckets. Very nice detailed piece here. Easy to clean. And I like the way he's shipping some of this stuff now. And it's gotta cost a little bit of extra money to do this, but it's pretty cool that he puts them in like little Iceman collection crates. I don't want to break nothing here, so bear with me. These are really cool, the Iceman collection crates. I might even save them. So I know this is new. These covers are new. I don't want to break them off right now. But these covers are actually new. New design. And also these wheels are a new design. the wire wheels, which would be kind of cool to get one with a wire wheel on the shelf, because the last one I did had solid wheels. So, and he gives you an extra wheel, I think. Or no, it does have a third wheel, huh? No, it is an extra wheel. Yes, it is. Just in case, excuse me, just in case you break one of the spokes or something. Pretty nice. Pretty neat. I can work with that. So, let me see, what else do we got here? Alright. The exhaust covers. Which, this is the old style exhaust cover, I think. So, yeah. But the other one was the new style, from what I gather. Let me see here. Yeah, I think it's the other one there. You got right and left hand drive. Steering wheel is pretty nicely detailed. Looks like the carb cover right there. The exhaust, really nice. Is that a new piece on there? I'm not sure what that is. Oh no, that's the plate. That's the back plate. Yeah, that's right. Here are the original style wheels, which I like these wheels. I mean, I liked them a lot. Original style wheels on there. And tires. And here's the back wheel. With the caliper back there, rotor. It's a pretty neat little kit. I love this thing. There we go. Some more covers, mirrors, pedals. Pretty neat. So the tail lights, stick shift, gas cap right there. I like these things. It easily it protects everything. I looked at metal headrests. I believe this one has two. Yeah, my other one had two also. I'm looking at it right now. So, and we have, looks like the exhaust. Pretty cool. Got the exhaust and the front nose cover. Man, I kind of want to do this now, but I don't want to take my mind off the dart. So, man, it's all tempting to build one of these now. I really like this thing, man. These things are really cool. I wish I had one in real life. I wish I can just drive one. I'm a motorcycle guy, so I've got motorcycles. I've never driven a Morgan or anything like this, but yeah, this is be kind of cool to drive. I used to have a Triumph, but our BSA with the Triumph motor. But yeah. You did it again, Joel. You knocked it out of the park, man. This is going to be a fun build. I'm going to build one of these soon, but I'm going to wait till after all the holidays and after my hunt's over so I can put my all in it. So, but I kind of wanted to do that bumblebee thing that me and you talked about, Joel. So if you're listening, I might steal your idea and do the bumblebee theme on here. So anyway, so I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the Morgan 3-wheeler. I usually end the videos with, why do you watch this crap? But this stuff is not crap, and they're pretty reasonably priced. Stop by his store, sign up for his newsletter, use the code 10CHUCK. You'll get 10% off this thing. So it makes it a lot more affordable using the discount. So make sure you use the code 10CHUCK. And buy other stuff, guys. I mean, you can never have enough 3D printed parts. So give this guy a whirl. Check it out. I enjoyed building it. I know you will too. This is Chuck signing out. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, sign up for his newsletter, buy a Morgan 3-wheeler, have fun, build a nice kit. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.